Hello everyone. Okay, so this is what happened. The brand new nut that I put in there, I had a very difficult time screwing the nut on the strut here, on the shaft. The shaft is stripped, okay? So the way I did it, see from the close-up, it is in there. However, it's, see here, I'm drilling a hole right now to put a pin there just in case this nut would ever want to come out, slip out. I'm gonna, what type of pin you can put in there? You can, I think the easiest one is to just stick a nail in there, just under pressure, and then bend it, and that's it. This washer would never come out after. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna do. But what I would like to do, I would like to get this hole right through the bolt on the other side. So when I put the nail in there, I'll be able to catch that nail on both sides and bend it so it will never slip out. Okay, that way it will lock the nut in place in the shaft. Okay, this is very critical. Okay, so otherwise, if I cannot do this, I don't know if I would be able to machine, do a new thread on the shaft of this shock. If that's not possible, then I would have to replace the whole assembly, which probably would cost me, just my guess, maybe 500 bucks. So I don't think I want to spend 500 bucks. I'd rather play with this over here, put a pin, and, you know, lock that washer for good. All right, I'll be back.